Panda Express's limited edition blazing bourbon chicken is delicious, but I have one big problem with it. It's not very spicy. So today, I'm showing you how to make this special dish at home, but making sure it's extra spicy. And even better, we'll do this all at home for less money while still tasting just as good as eating out. For those who haven't tried this dish yet, it tastes like a mix between orange chicken and General Tso's chicken. The chicken is crispy, and the sauce is sticky, sweet, and has a spicy punch. So, let's get cooking. Start by dicing one green or red bell pepper into about 1-inch pieces. Then dice half a white onion into 1-inch pieces. Trim and cut 5 boneless skinless chicken thighs into about 2-inch pieces. Add 1 egg white and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this together. For our sauce, in a separate bowl, add 3/4 of a teaspoon of ginger powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of bourbon, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3 or more teaspoons of ghost pepper hot sauce. Mix it together. You can also add 1 teaspoon of paprika for that reddish color. In a small cup, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1/3 cup of water. This will be used later to thicken our sauce. In a bowl, add about 1 cup of cornstarch that'll be used to toss our chicken. In a preheated air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll toss our chicken in the cornstarch and then add it to the fryer. Make sure you get all the folds of the chicken covered and coated with the cornstarch. This will ensure our chicken gets extra crispy. Repeat this process until the basket is full. Spray generously with oil and cook for 8 to 15 minutes, depending on how crispy you like your chicken. I like mine extra crispy, so I do about 14 minutes on each side before using chopsticks to flip over the chicken pieces. Add some more oil and fry for another 8 to 15 minutes. Remove and repeat with the rest of our chicken. This method is great for getting extra crispy chicken without deep frying. With our chicken done, heat up a wok on high heat with oil. Add 1/4 cup of whole dried chili peppers, then our white onion. Toss it for about 30 seconds, then add our green or red bell pepper. Toss for another 30 seconds, then add our sauce mix. Let simmer for about 1 minute, then add our cornstarch slurry. This will thicken up the sauce in about 45 seconds, so be ready to toss our chicken in once you see the sauce thicken to almost a warm, honey viscosity. And then toss it all together to make sure our chicken gets a nice coating of that sweet, tangy, and spicy sauce. We'll turn off our heat at this point since we don't want our chicken to get soggy. And boom! We've made Panda Express's limited edition blazing bourbon chicken, but extra spicy. Each piece has a fantastic punch of spicy flavor from that ghost pepper sauce, but then also a sweet and tangy sticky flavor from the bourbon and sugars. The best part is that a medium size of this costs about $10 eating out, and isn't really very spicy, but ours costs $5, and oh does it have some nice heat. Here's the ingredients for today. If you enjoyed, then be sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite takeout food is.